But first off, McClatchy, D.C. reports analysis. Tens of millions could be forced out of health insurance they had. No. They've already forced 2 million 3 weeks ago, then 5 million. Now it's about 8 million. It's going to be more like 25 mil. But that's just kicking you directly off of it. They're also, on average, have now doubled it. Humana, it's going up 500+% in Texas. That's all been announced. The insurance companies wrote this to literally screw you over. If you're not an illegal alien, you're not going to get free care. The illegals will get free care to bring them in to drive down wages. It's an incentive. That's why they now tell, half the country's basically going on part-time under Obamacare to lower wages further, and you're told now. DHS, their Health and Human Services, 2 weeks ago, said in the news, it's okay, tell your employees go on supplementary assistance. It's Cloward and Piven, sociology plan to totally domesticate us. You will not be able, under the system, most people on average to not be on welfare. So we went from 25 million on food stamps to 50 million in 6 years. It's going to be 100 mil. It's already 101 mil on some form of welfare. It's going to be 200 mil. Just like France, just like Russia. This is how they do it. It's a plan. So I thought I would actually go over here for you today what Obama actually has done in his deception. The public finally picked up on this and noticed it. You remember Obama saying at least now 50+ times that you can keep your insurance back when they were trying to pass it in 2009.
We will keep this promise to the American people. If you like your doctor, you will be able to keep your doctor, period. If you like your health care plan, you'll be able to keep your health care plan, period.
First of all, if you've got health insurance, you like your doctor, you like your plan, you can keep your doctor, you can keep your plan. Nobody is talking about taking that away from you.
No matter what you've heard, if you like your doctor or health care plan, you can keep it. If you like your doctor, you can keep your doctor. If you like your private health insurance plan,
that's enough.
You can keep.
It goes on and on forever. Then he came out last week and said you could keep it before the law passed. A total fraud. So then he lied, but then that blew up in his face, and then he came back and said, I'm sorry. But let's go ahead and go to him lying last week and saying, I didn't really say that. Here it is.
Or had one of these plans before the Affordable Care Act came into law, and you really liked that plan, what we said was you could keep it if it hasn't changed since the law's passed.
Let's play that clip for folks one more time so they can hear the absolute craven deception.
If you have or had one of these plans before the Affordable Care Act came into law, and you really liked that plan, what we said was you could keep it if it hasn't changed since the law's passed.
And that is not what he said. He said, under this bill, you can keep it, period. So there he is lying. Now, when we come back, he gets caught in the lie and apologizes, but there's a new video dug up off C-SPAN where he admits 4 years ago he lied that he was going to lie to everybody.